Hi there! In this video, I will be guiding you on how to set up private email in Namecheap, so please listen carefully. Before starting, make sure that you've already purchased a Namecheap private email plan. This makes your email professional and secure. So once you're on your Namecheap account, what you will do is go ahead and click the account section, and then you will click domain list. And then you will just have to wait for it to load. And once you're here, you will have to make sure first that of course you already have your domain, and then you will just have to click manage and then click private email, but make sure that you do have a private email first. So if you don't have one yet, make sure to start either your free trial or purchase one so that you will be able to proceed smoothly. And after that, after clicking manage here, you will click private email, and then you will click set up now next to your domain. Then you will just have to follow the prompts to create your email address, entering the username and password. And finally, you will just have to update your domain's MX records if prompted. Namecheap usually does this automatically, but double check in advanced DNS, and then you will see mail settings to ensure emails route correctly. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.